I lost 10 pounds in the first week and my hair is super long. I'll show you how I did it. I wanted the baddest body. I'm talking Naomi Campbell circa 1990s bad. And I wanted the prettiest hair. I'm talking Ashley Banks, Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, Tatiana Ali pretty hair. I thought it would solve all my problems. And you know what? It did. I'm just a girl and I want to have fun. I like to look good and I have no shame in it. A flat stomach, long natural hair and crop tops will forever be my aesthetic. Do you want to know what the most powerful silent flex is? Being in shape. We're supposed to be quiet in here, but I'm certain the security, he's not going to kick me out because he loves to watch my body move. So I do whatever I want. That's why I plan my meals, count my calories, and run those miles. I could get on here and say, oh, I just do it because I want to be healthy. But that would be a lie. I get up in the morning and I get on that treadmill and I get those steps in because I want to look good. I do these natural hair treatments because I want to look good. I plan my meals meticulously so I don't go over my calorie limit because I want to look good. You want pretty hair? You want a nice body? And no, I didn't come here to flex on you. I just know what it takes to achieve these goals. And I'm humble enough to show you the before and afters of my hair and my body because I want you to know that your goals are achievable, naturally. And for those who are new here, my hair and my body are 100% natural. If you're weak-minded, tap out right now. You have to set your own standards. People are going to try and tell you what you should look like. And if you don't set your own standards and live by them, you're never going to go anywhere because you're always going to try and please everyone except for yourself. When I first started my fitness journey, I knew what I wanted. I wanted to be slim but not stick thin with a flat stomach, and I wanted to keep my big natural curves, and honey, I've kept them. Look, I'll show you my secrets and how I do all of this. But honey, I'm not some LA-based vegan influencer. I'm a Nigerian American girly in a quiet suburb just outside of DC. I don't do sit-ups to keep my stomach flat. I belly dance and I hula hoop. I like pounded yam goat meat, and when no one's looking, I chew my chicken bones. And I live for the weekend. I love those DC summer nights. I do a fresh updo every weekend. Such a blessing having natural 4C hair. After that, I select an outfit that matches my vibe. Then I pick out my heels, and I hop in my Uber and let the nation's capital take me on another adventure. I love it out there. It's filled with darkness and glitter. And the darkness, it matches my aura, my skin, and my vibe. I love it. So if you want to know all of my hair secrets and you want to know the ways that I keep my body fit and my stomach super flat, then keep watching to know my treatments, hair secrets, and weight loss tips. And I'll give you a tiny little peek into my life. Hair, 4C. Skin, dark. Body, T. Don't worry, honey, I don't gatekeep. I got you. Come on, let's go. I'm Yinka, and I welcome you to episode 3 of the 4C Diaries. I'm a black girl. Different hairstyles get me different treatment. Black girls, we learn this early. Again, I just live in this world, I didn't make it. I use my pretty hair as a weapon. I choose my hairstyle based on what type of treatment I want to get that day. The same thing goes with my aesthetic. You see, sometimes I'm soft girl, sugar honey sweet like iced tea, nothing but floral dresses and all smiles, which is the complete opposite of classic Baddy. A fitted crop top and some low-rise shorts. With this body, you know all eyes are on me, honey. Classy glam, you can never go wrong with this aesthetic. When in doubt, always lean classy glam, honey. It's a winner every single time. Chill, Baddy. I found when you pair a crop top and sweatpants with a flat stomach, people will let you get away with anything. Shallow world, honey. Pilates princess, when you want to be comfortable but still look put together at the same time, this is the aesthetic, honey. Classy chic. Business meetings, traveling, trust me, you want to go with this aesthetic. Things will go a lot smoother. And of course, preppy. There's just something about the mixture of structure and softness that just does it for me every time. It's no secret that being in shape, having healthy hair, and fitting a certain style aesthetic will get you places in life. We're women. We learn to play the cards we're dealt. Sometimes we play them so well that you think we're rolling with a royal flush, when in reality, the world dealt us a 72 off. And that's the beauty of it all. Don't think that once you get these things, don't think that once you look a certain way that you're better than other people. Because you're not. Nobody's above anybody. Now let me show you one of the ways I speed up my hair growth and thicken my hair strands. We live in a shallow world, and a lot of people, for lack of a better term, are birds. They judge people based on their appearance, and they decide whether or not they're going to treat them well simply based upon the way that they look. It makes people feel superior to be able to treat people a certain way simply based on appearance. I've got my hair all sectioned off. I boiled some hot water. I'm going to add it to the henna. I'm going to mix it all up and I'm going to apply it, and then I'm going to walk you right into my wash day routine after I've rinsed off all of the henna. There's nothing more satisfying than just drenching my curls in all of that water. Oh my god, I love it. What I'm about to say might trigger some people, and if it triggers you, well, then you're part of the problem. Hair care tip number 2. I use aloe vera at the beginning of my wash day to help lessen breakage and speed up hair growth. A lot of people feel threatened by healthy 4C hair because when 4C hair is healthy, it's very beautiful and it steals the show. When women with 4C hair do beautiful hairstyles that complement the beauty of their natural hair, you can't help but look at it. It's mesmerizing. I mean, hello, look at my angel bun. I cannot tell you how many times I go out and I get stopped. Oh my god, how did you do that bun? How did you get your hair like that? How do you get to stay like that? It looks so classy, it looks so chic. And I'm like, I know, thank you. But respectfully, it's gonna look best on my hair. Because it looks best on 4C hair. I love wearing my hair in a fresh angel bun when I'm out in DC with one of my girlies. A cute crop top with a flowy skirt, and the world belongs to me. Sometimes, we don't even plan our moves. We just meet up on K Street and let the vibes of the capital take us where they're going to take us. We keep it very classy though, very demure. You know what I mean? Every day I wake up at 5 a.m. to start my workout routine. When I'm really busy, I put my hair in a ballerina bun because it's easy to refresh in the mornings and it stays looking cute and structured, just the way I like it. I think it's important to look cute every day. Life is short. You should romanticize it. I start off with 100 pull-ups. Kidding, I can't even do one. I'm a cardio girl to the core. I hop on the treadmill in my apartment's gym and I get my HIIT workout in. After completing my HIIT workout, I head to the park and I do my meditation, my stretches, and then I get into my hula hooping session. I love hula hooping. It literally saved me. Look, if you're going through a hard time, order yourself a hula hoop, practice, get better at it. You're gonna feel so good when you're done and your stomach's just going to keep getting flatter and you're gonna keep getting prettier. I go for a walk around the block, do my stretches, and then I head to my membership gym. I start my workout in my apartment gym because I'm terrified of going in the parking garage at 5 a.m. When I get to my membership gym, I do some more cardio, then my favorite part, I head to the sauna and do my stretches. Weight loss tip number 1, trendy diets are a gimmick. It's calories in, calories out. I don't care if you're doing the keto diet, carnivore diet, whatever. If you are losing weight, it is simply because you are consuming fewer calories than you burn. It's simple. If you want to lose weight, you calculate the total number of calories that you burn a day and you make sure that you consume less calories than that. And remember, you can't outrun a bad diet. Hi lovies! So I'm so excited because I'm going to have a little cheat day today and I'm going to have one of my favorite meals. I'm going to have some honey yam with some okra and some chicken stew. Even though I count my calories and I'm on a diet and stuff like that, I still eat foods from my culture. Weight loss tip number 2, I don't remove my favorite foods from my diet, I just eat them in moderation. When you remove them, you are more likely to binge and overeat. Look, I can't get on here and pretend like all I do is eat salads and drink green smoothies because it's just not realistic for me and it's just not the truth. I love eating and making food from my culture. That's what I was raised on. That's how my mom trained me to cook. And I'm so excited to show you all some of my favorite meals. Honestly, I'm just like so hungry and I can't wait to just... Hi, Mom. Maybe like probably in like 2 hours. 2 hours? Yeah, I think I'm gonna wear the purple and gold one. I love you. So I have to, oh my god, I think I'm wearing a purple and gold one. When I was younger, my mother would pack me Nigerian food for my school lunch. The kids at school would make fun of me because my food was different from theirs. At the time, I didn't know why she did it, but I see now that she was instilling pride in her little girl. Food is culture. Be proud of where you're from. Alright, so what do you all think I should go with? This bag, which I absolutely love and adore this bag, but I do not wear this one that often. Those are my favorite YSL bags, as you can tell, because those are the ones that I always display in the closet. But this is cute too. I mean the green, right? But I also kind of feel like it's too much. So I feel like this is going to be like the last warm day of summer. So I really wanted to go out with like a really fun and summery dress. Tonight I drove to DC. I did an Uber for once. And when I'm in DC, I just like to go to a nice cute restaurant and a nice rooftop lounge. I don't go to parties, clubs, anything ratchet. I just like to keep it low-key and cute. Alright, it's Sunday, so you know what that means. It's time to meal prep. Looking good in crop tops and skin tight dresses gives me so much joy. A lot of you don't know this, but I used to play Premier Soccer. I was very competitive. I just liked winning. When we played a new team, if their goalie had a good track record, I'd make it my personal job to destroy her record while adding more goals and assists to my personal record. I loved it. It was exhilarating. No matter what, I had to be the best. I had to win. And that's how I am now with my body. I want to win. I don't compete with others, but I compete with myself.
Okay, hold on, I need to know. Do you guys think I should get this? I think it's a bit much. What do you think?
Alright, class is in session, honey. I'm going to show you and tell you how to get the baddest body that you've ever had. Step 1, find a celebrity who is in tip-top shape and has a body frame that is similar to yours. So if you are petite and curvy on top, find a celebrity who is petite and curvy on top in tip-top shape. It doesn't matter if you have a gut right now. Right now, in your mind, you and her have identical bodies. Do you hear me? If her stomach is flat, so is yours. You need to walk around with a mentality that your stomach is flat, that your body is exactly how you want it to be, even if it isn't right now. You need to learn how to feel good about yourself in all states. You have to train yourself and your mind to see yourself as already reaching your goal. This is the only way that your mind is going to know that it's possible. Step 2, get your diet in check. The only food that should be in your house, in your apartment, in your condo, in your fridge, in your cupboards, is the food that's a part of your organized meal plan. Do you want this? Do you want to turn heads? Do you want to prove all the doubters wrong? Well, then you're going to have discipline. Plan your meals, plan your snacks, calculate how many calories are in every morsel of food that you put into your mouth. Calculate how many calories you burn every single time that you work out. And with this knowledge, you decide how many calories you want to cut in order to reach your goal. You can have snacks, sweets, all of that, but you have to do it in moderation. That's the most important thing. You are always going to look your best when you look like yourself. If you try to imitate someone or something else, you're never going to be better than second best. So why would you want to play that game, honey? We're number 1 over here. Do you ever notice that like almost every time a woman has beautiful, thick, healthy, 4C hair, she goes viral? It's a sight to see. It's beautiful. Everybody loves it. It's jaw-dropping.
Alright, so I have everything laid out here and I'm just going to get to it. I told you all, I'm not a vegan. I'm not some LA-based vegan influencer. We've been over this, okay? I'm going to weigh everything out. Yes, I count my calories in my pepper soup. I'm going to weigh everything out so I know exactly what I'm eating and how many calories everything is, okay? Alright.
A lot of people associate 4C hair with Africa because a lot of people on the continent of Africa, especially sub-Saharan Africa, do indeed have 4C hair. And in their minds, Africa is supposed to be bad, dirty, undesirable. So when they see beautiful, thick, healthy 4C hair, their minds can't process it. They think 4C hair is always supposed to be dry, damaged, and brittle. For a lot of people, when they see a woman with beautiful 4C hair getting praised, I kid you not, their world crumbles. And that's either because A, if they don't have 4C hair, they want people with 4C hair to be beneath them so that they can feel good about themselves. And if they do have 4C hair, it's simply because they don't love themselves and they have an inferiority complex. I need you to understand something. Your hair is not only a big deal to you, it's a big deal to a lot of other people. They need you to feel bad about yourself so that they can feel good.
It is such a relief when I'm done meal prepping, and I just love the fact that when I'm working throughout the week, I don't have to stress about what I'm going to eat. I just have to go into the fridge and grab my next meal. I highly suggest meal prepping. It is so worth it, honey. Alright, now we're going to get into one of my favorite hair growth treatments. We're going to use black rice water and rosemary, and we are going to make one of the most potent hair growth treatments out there. The first thing I do is fill a container of water with black rice water. You can use like a spray bottle and stuff, but this is just a more extreme method to get it all over your hair and all over your scalp. So I like to mix it up, and then I like to go ahead and add the rosemary to it, and I usually let it sit for about 30 minutes, and then I go ahead and I start swishing and dunking my head into the black rice water. I just try my best to get my hair and my scalp as saturated as possible. And for those who are wondering, no, my hair is not fully shrunken in the beginning of this clip. My hair is like literally 80% wet still, and yes, that's how much it shrinks when it's 80% wet. And I have really good news for you all. My next video is going to be my highly requested blow drying tutorials. So
please look forward to that. Thank you all so much for watching.